Hi everyone, welcome back to your channel. I'm here with another tutorial, but this tutorial is a little bit different than previous, we can say the sessions. In this time, I would like to add the hardware combination, the hardware with the software. So I decided to work with ESP32, which is the one of the most common microcontroller in IoT field, because it had the capability of the Bluetooth and also Wi-Fi, so you can do a lot of things and you can make a lot of the project with ESP32. So in this time, I'm going to explain that how you can connect the ESP32 with the relay, and also how you can control the relay with the mobile app via Bluetooth. This session will be including the several other sessions. The first is demonstration and explain about the diagram, and then we will jump to the coding part of the ESP32 with the relay, and also there is the one session for coding part of the mobile app, how you can mm, create your own app for Android device. So if you are interested in this topic, please stay with me. Uh, Here I have the picture from the ESP32, and as you observe, there are many, we can say that GPIOs, and if you are interested about all these the features and functions, you can ask me. Maybe I can make another video about that to explain about all these functions and what you can do. But we just focus now on how we can connect to relay. There is then 3.3 volt here, which this is very important because the ESP32 is using 3.3, and you have to use the relay which they have the logic of the 3.0. If your relay has the logic of the 5 volt, then you need to somehow step down for the level, and then feeding the 3.3 to your relay, or maybe you can select the relay which can support the 3.3. So this is, I think, the tricky part of that, and you have to take into account. So we have the 3.3, which is connected to VCC, and we have the GND, which is also connected to GND, and I selected one of the GPIO pins as a D5, and then I connected to a trigger pin of the relay. So now I will jump to demonstration to show you how it will work, and then we can connect with other videos about the coding parts. Okay, as you observe here, I have the ESP32, which is it's connected to 3.3 volt, and we have the GND and DP5, one of the GPIO from ESP32, which is connected to relay. So we have also the positive part of the relays connected to 3.3 volt, and also GND is the negative part, and the trigger of the relay is connected to DP5, which already I have explained about it. So we have the app here, which is this is the app, and I'm going first to connect to the Bluetooth. So I have the name as the ESP relay. I'm touching this, and you can see here now is connected to the Bluetooth. So I'm going to connect for the turn on. So I'm turning on, and you can see the LED of the relay is connected, and also we have the one we can say that icon for the light on, and also here is mentioned relay is on. So I'm going to turn it off and see what is the reaction for the relay. So now the LED for the relay is disconnected, and also that here it mentioned, the written here, relay is off, and the icon for the light also is changed. If I want to disconnect this, we can say that Bluetooth just disconnected. Yeah, so now is disconnected for all these cycle, and if I want to connect again, I need to touch the button for the Bluetooth, which is the Bluetooth icon, and do all this process again. Okay, thank you for watching this video and supporting your channel. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and stay tuned for more details. Thank you again. See you in the next one.